In Video Guru Video Maker, we're going to add an end screen onto this video. So you tap on the video that you want to put an end screen on, move it along to the end and move it to a certain position. And then if you scroll along the bottom, then go to pip, and then you go to material, and then you've got ending. And you've got these pre-made end screens, and you can expand it to fill the whole screen. So when the video plays, you've got your end screen that's going to come up. So how cool is that? Please like and subscribe to watch another video.